Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to filter Wix data using Checkbox in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page. So this is our table and then you see column city, temperature, name. So you can filter data by any column like city, temperature, name. So it's up to you. On left side you see add element, so click on it and then you see input, and in input you see selection and then you see checkboxes. You see multiple options, so you can select layout according to requirement. Now select this, now drag and drop, now edit and then you see many choices, so click on it. So we are going to add our choices, city name, now you see Wi-Fi, click on it, edit label Islamabad and then click on done. So we are going to add another two. So these are our check boxes and then you see go to settings, so click on it and then you see field title, room facility, so change it, filter by city and then click on close. Now you see multiple choice, so click on it and then you see layout, so click on it, select horizontal and then you see checkbox, space between check boxes, field title space. Now close and then drag this. Now you see, so you can set position, again click on it and then you see design, so click on it. If you want to customize design, so again click on it. Now you see fill color, opacity, border, corner, shadow, so you can set color scheme according to requirement. So we added some styling. Now you see font size, choices, box color. Now close and then you see connect to CMS. So we are going to connect this multiple choices to our table, so click on it and then you see connect multiple choices, filter content, so click on it, choose a data set. So this is our data set and this is our collection, weather update data set. Now select and then you see filter content by, now select. So we are going to filter data by using city, now select and then you see condition is any, so click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in about page and then scroll down. So this is our table and then you see city London, Washington, Islamabad and then you see filter item with city. Now select Islamabad. Now only you see Islamabad record with detail. Now you see London, now select. Now you see both Islamabad and London record using multiple choices checkbox and then you see Washington, now select. Now uncheck Islamabad, now only you see London and Washington record. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.